Clinical trials are the gold standard for evaluating new medical treatments. They provide crucial data that can help bring new therapies to patients who need them. But managing the data from these trials can be a huge challenge. Errors, delays, and inefficiencies can slow down the process, making it harder to get new treatments to market. That's where our company, AU3M Life Sciences, comes in. We're a clinical data management startup that's revolutionizing the way clinical trials are conducted. AU3M Life Sciences is an emerging contract research organization with a vision of providing clinical research and strategic solutions to pharma, biotech, and medical devices companies. Our team of experienced professionals inspires confidence and deliver high-quality services. Our team is highly experienced in data management, database design, statistical analysis, and regulatory affairs is essential for success. But we know that technology alone isn't enough. That's why our team is dedicated in providing top-notch customer service to help our clients reach their objectives. At our core, we're a team of passionate, driven individuals who are committed to improving the lives of patients and advancing the field of medicine. If you're looking for a clinical data management partner who can help you take your trials to the next level, contact us today. Together, we can make a difference. Contact us at corpcomms@a3m.com.